Namaste, friends. Today I came back with another interesting topic which surely spreads awareness about what really makes the person the most beautiful person in the world. Let's see. During the history of mankind, the image of beautiful person was constantly changing. Many years ago, people had other view on what appearance person should have to be considered beautiful. So many poets and writers glorified the human beauty. Do you think it is right to appreciate a person with a beautiful face? You may be inclined to say yes. I agree that there is nothing wrong with praising a person for his or her attractive appearance, but it is also wrong to judge a person by the color of his skin. A person with an unimpressive appearance can be a much better human being than a good looking guy. It leads to the fact true beauty doesn't consist in physical beauty. It lies in the goodness of character. Real beauty is an integral trait of one's nature and temperament. Beauty is very much subjective because beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. So, while one thinks that the brown spotted grass frog is unattractive, a scientist spends all day studying them may think it's beautiful. I would say that beauty is truth and truth is beauty. Everything has beauty, but not everyone sees it. The fault is with us because we fail to see it in everything. We judge things and people according to our own parameters, our own viewpoint or outlook. We see someone or something as beautiful or ugly depending on our own mindset, which is very much limited or prejudiced. Often we judge them from their external appearances rather than what they are in true sense. The true beauty is often hidden from our naked eyes. One doesn't become ugly just because we don't see beauty. You are beautiful in the true sense of the word if you help those who are going through hardships of life, if you respect others irrespective of their richness or poverty, and if you talk politely to people, you deserve to be called beautiful. Now let's see the proof for the existence of real beauty.
First piece of it.
Beauty is a kind of radiance. People who possess a true inner beauty, their eyes are a little brighter, their skin a little more dewy, they vibrate at a different frequency. The sign of a beautiful person is that they always see beauty in others. So, when your eyes cannot see the beauty of life, we must learn to see it from the heart and we must enhance our beauty with right attitude, confidence and good character, which indeed makes our life shine through. Dear friends, true beauty consists in knowing what we are and accepting as we are. True beauty is not in the face, beauty is a light in the heart, it illuminates our soul. So, let's not waste our time and resources for outward beauty, but to shape our personality endowed with simplicity and goodness of the heart and mind. I would say that no beauty shines more than that of good heart. So let's make our world the most beautiful place with our real beauty. Thank you.